Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick pickup video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. If you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So as you can see here, I do have a Kith bag. I picked this up from Kith Soho in New York City. So let's crack this open right here. I did win one of the raffles and actually this is the directions that I use. But let me see if I can grab. But it's basically this right here, and again, they do put your receipt in this like little envelope right here. So as you can see right here, and I did pick this up from the Kith in Lafayette Avenue, Lafayette Street. In New York, so that's in the Soho area. So I did have to travel to pick these up since I do live in New Jersey. So just a quick video, since I already did a video on this pair from a previous pickup. Air Jordan 1, off-white NRG. These are the UNCs. Colorway is white, dark powder blue cone, and suggested retail is $190 right here. As you can see, we do have the Jordan 1 box, but it's kind of deconstructed. As you can see, perforations, you can actually lift that up. I'm not going to break it yet. And you do have the clear plastic at the bottom. And you do have the, instead of paper, you do have the plastic that does have, off-white for Nike, Air Jordan 1, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1985, right there. And here are the shoes. The ones I picked up from the Kith store. So I'm not going to do a review again, since I already did it before. But since there's a lot of pairs out there of this shoe, at least from what I've seen, I know there are still some people that hasn't been able to grab a pair. I've seen a couple of people, a bunch of people get multiple pairs. And I know the resale on these off-whites have been dropping. So I just wanted to find out if people still find this shoe desirable, or if they're, consider them bricks, because prices are dropping on this shoe if you compare it to the Chicago ones. So to me, it's a dope pair. That's why, I did grab them. So I just wanted to find out what people's thoughts are, as far as, since, there are, seems like a lot more pairs of this compared to the Chicago colorway. If you think these are trash, or if they're bricks, because again, resale is not where the Chicago colorway is. So just a quick video, but as you can see, as I mentioned, I did grab an earlier pair before from Nike. And again, that's my other pair right there. Glad that I was able to double up on these. So, right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Right, YouTube, peace out.